Hey there! This is another video request on how to use the bullet journal as a saving aid. So I am going to give you some spread ideas that can help you to be disciplined and determined to set money aside for a specific reason. I started with this quote because our spending habits define how much money we can save. Sometimes we make expenses without realizing that if we were saving those, it could amount to figures we didn't think we were wasting. This spread is to analyze why are we saving, how much, and the time period we are giving ourselves to obtain that money, as well as some useful tips to re-examine our habits. This is key in truly achieving the best results. Like, before you buy something, stop and think if it is a true need. You can even make a "do you really need it" card and stick it on your wallet where you will see it before you see the credit card or the money. The next spread is a tracker and a vision board. We are visual creatures, so when we physically see our dreams and goals, that is both a reminder and a motivation to keep on saving as much as we can. As an example, I'm using getting an apartment. So I drew a building to write down the amounts of money that need to be setting aside each week or month, or however you would like to divide it, and you will color each window until you reach the goal. Add some inspiring pictures and stickers to make it really appealing and motivating. The expenses spread is a serious analysis that you need to make of what you are actually spending. Divide it into needs and wants. You definitely want to have money for your needs. I added a question mark next to the last three because they might not be needs. I mean, you can do without TV for a period, and you might want to take a look into doing your own toiletries and cleaning products for much less than what you spend on the stores. It really depends on how far you want to go or how bad you want to save. For the wants, I added an action plan. Ways to stop spending on your favorite things while not depriving yourself of them. There are 1,000 tutorials on making your own toiletries and cleaning products for much less, and it is really easy. And to keep you motivated, you can even add project spreads on your bullet journal, as I am showing here. So for example, if you spend a lot on coffee, you can look up easy homemade coffee recipes. The results are endless, and you can start experimenting and making a spread of your favorite ones. You will be amazed at how easy and non-expensive it is to make your own caramel macchiato at home. And the spread looks really pretty. So one by one, examine your wants, and you will see that there are many alternatives that do not require that much money and that will even make you eat healthier or form new habits that you might want to adopt. Of course, you can just do it while you save. Knowing that you're not sacrificing things forever will help you stick to it. Now, the no spend challenge is worth trying if you will commit. Start doing no extra spending for a week. At the end, you will reward yourself with a little something that you have been going without. Then raise it to 2 weeks or however much time you want to, and so on. You can raise the value of the reward, but not too much. You don't want to get your savings out of balance. And finally, my original money spread is a yearly spread. Like I said, we are visual creatures, so the impact of seeing all your money transactions on one spread should be enough to put your feet on the ground. So you can choose red for expenses and blue for income. You want to get as few reds as possible, or at least red low figures. This spread is a wake-up call. You will see that there are things you can do without, and save for those that truly matter. I really hope that you find these spreads helpful and that you achieve your saving goals. Whether it's an apartment, a bike, a trip, or to have an emergency fund, you can always make saving fun and attainable. Remember, you have to be mindful of your spending habits, and bullet journal saving spreads will have your back so you can make it. If you want to join my bullet journal journey, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching.